55 minutes. We shall now be showing the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus 320-200. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, till buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift up and buckle, pull free and to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelts and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body.
Damn,
Slip
this is
vest
gonna
over
be
your head.
intense.
Take tape around your waist. Push ends to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that the emergency oxygen is required, the oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings and immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band first 9 feet and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and fog markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seatbacks in upright position. Larger electronic devices like laptops and tablets don't